Here we go! Don't close on me. Cover your ears, children. This is dangerous. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another moto vlog. We got Hunter, Fry, and yours truly, Motonosity. Fry riding came down from Dallas to visit us. Hunter came out from his home here in Austin. He came out from the forest where he lives. Red light. Red light. I take a look at my enormous. You got a monkey. Fast monkey. Where are we going? Oh yeah, we're going to Congress. Hey Fry. Hey, what's up? Man, yeah, seriously, adrenaline rush for sure. This is amazing. Oh dude, that mural is amazing. One guy painted that whole thing. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Remember that time you moved away so that you couldn't have these fun shenanigan rides with us? $1 to start. What? Is that a rental scooter? What? That's amazing. So anyways, I've been here in Austin for the past couple days because I needed to come back. If you missed the past couple videos, you guys can check those out. I'll link them down in the description. But I came up here because I left two of my motorcycles here. I left the CRF and I left the Ruckus in my neighbor's garage because I couldn't fit them all in the trailer. Out to Houston. Holy crap. Wow, what does that smell? Dude, I want to barf right now. You think he's upset? He's got a scooter too. Do you think he rented that one? Dude, what is with everyone on scooters today? Oh, he's got an M5 with a radar detector. He's serious about his speed. He goes fast. Dude, more scooters! 2 of them! What is happening? There's another one. Okay, I swear, there's some sort of like guerrilla marketing campaign going on right now. I think they're just leaving them at all the corners so that people can tell. Oh, Jesus!
Yeah, don't wait, asshole.
Yay! Hey, should we ride up the sidewalk? Whoa, dude! Oh, it's right here. I'm in the parking lot behind Torchy's. All right, time for some food. Yeah, if you've noticed, Evo Moto isn't with us because he's having some morning snacks with a lady. Snacks with a lady. Snacks with a lady. We're gonna go get some food. I'll catch up with you guys after this. Did you just say you need to get gas? Man, all our rides today are super short. Get on, ride for between 30 seconds and 5 minutes, and then we're done. Boom, Fry and I are done. 2 bikes, faster than both of y'all. No, start. Go. Yeah, go right. The world is your oyster. Okay, then we'll cut in front of some cars and go left through the neighborhoods. Like right here. Nope, we're going left. Skirt. Woo! Left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Left. Yeah, we got to get across. We're gonna try to make it to Lamar. Oh, road ends. Well, dang. Okay, we're going right now. Oh, this is First Street, not Lamar, my bad. It's alright. Anyone want some donuts? Alright, where are we going? Mob City downtown? You're in the freaking lane, dude. I got the wave and he's like, ah. Hey guys, look what I can do now. So it's green. You tricked me. You tricked me. Time for some exercises. 6th Street. Let's just go left.
Oh, okay. Time for a left.
Light's green. Red light. I win. Hey, should I kill switch him? Scooter bros. Oh, dude, he just did an insane bunny hop. I have a game.
Okay.
It's called you go straight if it's green, you turn right if it's not. Okay, now this means you have to turn left. Hunter, you need to hurry up. Oh, dang, the light's green. That means we're going across the bridge. We're going right. Yep, light's green, or light's red. We're gonna make it. No, nope, we're going right. We're going right. What? What? Scooter gang! Scooter gang! Can we just join them? Alright, I guess we're joining the scooter gang. Dude just threw his backpack at us. Dude, there's just like so many old women in this group. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, stuntman. Stuntman. Oh! Dude, I want their goggles. What? Yours?
It felt like the chain broke. I had no drive.
I'm up here. I'm at the front of the group. What's that? Yeah. Fry's gonna do a wheelie past him. No, bro, come on. Not good enough. Hunter's bike's not working. It won't start. Hunter's bike is broken.
It all started. I tried to do a wheelie, and it just went, like, it felt like the chain popped.
Alright, so Hunter's bike is overheating, so we're gonna try to get him back to Evo's place really fast, but I've got like 0 minutes on my card, so I'll see you guys back there. Alright guys, so we just made it back to Evo's place. Well, not just, like a long time ago.
Spicy.
Why don't you just put it in the back seat?
Yeah, the rest is in the back, right?
No, dirty things do not go inside.
It's not, it's been clean. It rained.
It rained.
It literally downpoured. Like there's a tropical storm coming through, so like it's pushing all the storms up here now. Today, tomorrow, and I think Monday are supposed to be pretty rainy, but we got freaking dumped on with buckets of water. And now the sun came out, and so now it's stupidly humid, and we're all sweating our basketballs off. So we got all the bikes loaded up. Fry's bike, Ruckus, CRF. Reason that we did that is because Fry's gonna be taking me up to go get my trailer. Oh, bye Hunter. Our last ride. Wow. Woo. That was so yeah. Fry's gonna drive me up to pick up my U-Haul, and we're gonna load up my bikes there, and then I'm headed out of town. It's been a good weekend. Hunter, where are you going? Yeah, Hunter's bike didn't start. We couldn't get it started, and then me and Fry just left him on the side of the road because we didn't really like him. I'll miss you.
Something wrong.
Later, brother.
Show me that again. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll catch up with you guys once things get settled down. I got the trailer and know what I'm doing. Well guys, that's it. We unloaded the bikes up here. Fry went on his merry little way. After he dropped me off, I went and picked up the U-Haul that you see here. Got the bikes, CRF, Ruckus, and got the Tesla on the charger. Gonna top it off, bring it over here, attach it, load up the bikes, head back to Houston, and that's that. I'm gonna miss those guys. That is probably the last time that we will all be together riding in Austin on our own bikes. Sad times, it really is. I'm gonna miss those guys. Yeah guys, that is gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed the last video with all of those guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subbed already. That's gonna be it guys. You have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. If you wanna get any of my merch, motonosity.com/shop. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.